So if you're the proud new owner of an Airmar Transducer multi-sensor, but you're not ready to haul your boat for the installation, you may have a compatible fitting already, and I'm going to show you how to retrofit this into an existing through-hull fitting. So the first thing I'll mention is you notice that there's a yellow O-ring up underneath the cap here. That is designed for the valve housing that came with your Transducer multi-sensor. If you have a through-hull fitting that did not include that valve, you can still use this sensor in there and then change the fitting out when it's convenient the next time you haul the boat. Really, all that's required to accomplish that is to remove this yellow O-ring. I'll use a simple pick tool. If you don't have a pick tool handy, you can modify a paper clip or something just to get underneath that O-ring. You want to be careful not to tear the O-ring. If you do, it's a very inexpensive part to replace. But I'm just going to gently pry that out of its O-ring groove. I'm going to remove it from the shaft of the transducer. In the package with the Transducer multi-sensor was a black O-ring in the package, and I'm going to replace the yellow O-ring with this smaller diameter black one. It's really as simple as running it down, making sure it's firmly seated in the groove underneath the cap nut there. And then the last step would be just to apply your silicone grease, and now you're ready to install that into the existing through-hull fitting.